This side Paramjeet Kaur, PGT English from Khalsa College, Public School, GT Road, Amritsar. Today, I'm here in front of you to talk on English literature and the evolution of English language through literature. First of all, I extend my heartfelt thanks to Khalsa College Charitable Society for giving me this opportunity to express my views on this platform, that is KCGC TV. I'm also very grateful to our worthy principal, Sardar Amarjit Singh Gill, who is polishing our personalities by giving excellent guidance and encouragement to perform this kind of activities. I will start my talk with a little story. A child and a man were walking on a seashore. Suddenly, the child found a little shell. Then he heard some sounds from the shell. He just put the shell near to his ear, and he heard the sounds, very strange sounds like low sounds, high sounds, melodious sounds. And he was so excited to listen such kind of sounds. He thought the voices from another world, and he experienced so excitedly this moment. He was so excited to experience the mystery and the music of the shell. Then the man explained that the child nothing heard strange. It is not the voice from the new world, even it is the harmony of the old one. So, which aroused the excitement of the child. So, such type of experiences await us when we start the study of English literature. When we indulge in English literature, we experience lots of ideas, lots of thoughts, lots of feelings, and lots of expressions by the different types of writers, poets, novelists, dramatists, and so on. Now, what is literature? Literature is the expression of life. It is the written record of human soul. It is the expression, it is the feeling, it is the thought of the man, and the man's spirit is recorded in a written form. So, the literature gave us lots of knowledge regarding English language. Time to time, English literature shaped the language English. There were many English periods and many poets and novelists and writers who gave the different types of English. They introduced the different type of eras of English and shaped the English language. The first one was the Old English. The Old English era was from 450 to 1100, and it introduced the epic poems like Beowulf, which introduced the Anglo-English vocabulary and grammar. And next was the Middle English, which was from 1100 to 1500, which introduced French and Latin influences through Geoffrey Chaucer's Canterbury Tales. Next, there was early modern English from 1500 to 1800, which introduced William Shakespeare's plays and sonnets, and he used vernacular English. And next there was Romanticism and Victorian era from 1800 to 1900, and during this period the poets like Keats, Wordsworth, they shaped the language English. And there was modernism and the 20th century. The T.S. Eliot's poetry changed the English language. He gave the new shape to the English language. And then there was a contemporary English that was from the 2000 to the present time. And here the globalization and technology which gave a new shape to English language. It introduced the new words, new phrases, new sentences, and we learned lots of vocabulary from globalization and the era with technology. So there were many literary moments and literary works by the writers, the poets and so on, which had given a new shape to English language. There were literary moments like Romanticism, the Victorian period, the Realism, the Modernism, which have given the new shape to English language. So I hope you all liked my talk on English literature and the evolution of English language through literature. English literature shaped English language. Not only the English language, it has a great impact on our daily life. English literature improves our understanding as we read lots of novels, lots of books, and we experienced many literary works which make us to understand the text, to understand the feelings, to understand the thoughts of the different writers. English literature also improves problem solving and decision making. If we have to solve any problem, we can take the experience by reading the novels, which shares the life stories of many people. So we can become a good problem solvers and we can make good decisions in our life if we read lots of novels and books. Literature also explore our complex emotions. Like literature is only the written record of emotions and feelings. So if we experience the feelings and emotions by many writers, so we can also improve the complex emotions in our life. Literary works also spark the imagination and innovation. English literature also teaches effective communication. Nowadays, we are only recognized in the society with a good communication. So English literature is the only way which can improve our communication, and we can have a touch with the new world and we can have a touch with the modern world. So by reading the text, novels, poetry, we expand our vocabulary. Our vocabulary is enriched. We learn new words, new sentences, new words. Those help us in our daily life communication with other and with society. Literary words also experiences us to have a wonderful social connection. So if we want to connect with the people and if we want to understand the people, we want to understand the thoughts and feelings of the people, so English literature only is the way which helps you to do this thing all.